Hi guys, my name is Sharvin Alagekalasellavan. My metric card number is 25DDT19F1137. This video is about practical task 1 for subject code of DFN50113 network design. Okay, let's begin with step 1. Step 1 is about create a simple network topology using packet tracer software. Okay, first we have to create the topology like this using device list down here, as you can see. Okay, first start off from router. Okay, router multi-layer 1560. Okay, this is the multi-layer switch. And okay, 19260 switch, the 5 devices. Okay, one PC, one laptop, another PC, a printer, and a server. Okay, let's connect them with the cable FA01 to 1, faster than a 0 to faster than a 2 here. Sorry, faster than a 3, PC1, faster than 4 for printer, and faster than at 5 for the server 0. Okay, then we connect switch with the multi-layer switch, which is using gigabit 01 in the switch to gigabit 01 in the multi-layer switch. Okay, then use the same cable, copper straight to cable, to connect switch between root, which is a router, which is gigabit 02 to gigabit 01. Okay, now we created the topology. Second step is about second step is about uh, indicate the hierarchical layer with different color coding on and labels, which is access layer, distribution layer, and core layer. Okay, now let's label the layers. Okay, first color, which is I take the yellow color to list down the access layer, which is this layer. And the second color I gonna take for distribution layer is green color, which is this layer. Okay, and the last layer for core layer I using the blue color to label the core layer, which is over here. Okay, you can see, sorry, you can see this is the access layer, which is include the all the devices, 5 devices, and the one switch. This is distribution layer, which is sit down in the multi-layer switch. The last core layer is in router. Okay, now I'll label the layer. access layer distribution layer distribution layer and call layer. Yeah, just down here, here, and here, so we can know it which is the layer, hierarchical layer. Okay, now I'm going to move to the third step, which is configure the network and user devices. Okay, let's check. Okay, sorry. Let's begin with the setup IP for the devices. Okay, we use the addressing table given in the question. So let's begin with the PC0. Okay, IP configuration static. Okay, this is the IP 192.168.10.10. Okay, the subnet mask already coming, and this is the subnet mask 192.168.10.1. Okay, that's all right. Okay, let's move to the laptop 0 192.168.10.11 192.168.10.1. Okay, let's copy down this subnet mask so we can use it in other devices. Okay, let me make sure the IP I put it on the PC0 is same. Sorry, correct. Okay, correct. Okay, let's begin on the PC1. This is 12. 192.168.10.12, which is IP for PC1. Okay, the default gateway for all the devices in here are same same, which is 192.168.10.1. Okay, let's move to the printer. Okay, let's give the IP in the global setting. Sorry, faster than 0 if I am not correct. Okay, faster than 0. The IP for printer 0 is 192.168.13. Okay, the subnet must already come up. Okay, let's get the default gateway here. Okay, okay, now let's set up the IP for last device, which is server 0. Okay, the server 0 IP is 192.168.10.14. Sorry, of 254. Okay, you can see here the IP for server 0. Okay, and the subnet mask is same as other devices. Okay, okay, that's done in devices. Let's check out in switch 0. Okay, okay, I think first, okay, okay, first we have to do host name for switch 0. Change set host name for switch 0. Okay, you have to enable it. Config terminal host name access underscore sw. Okay, and set up VLAN 1 and IP for VLAN 1. IP address 192.168.10.1. 10.2 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.255.0. Okay, then give no shut command for activate the interface, and we exit from the interface and set the default gateway for the switch. Okay, IP default gateway 192.168.10.1. Okay, I'm gonna copy and start for save the configuration I've done in this switch. Okay, that's done in the access layer, which is for switch 0. Okay, now I'm going to jump to the core layer because of the enabling routing information protocol version 2, because we have to enable RIPV in the core layer and we move it to the distribution layer, so for easing the job. Okay, let's move to the core layer. Okay, we open up router 0. No. Okay, let's change the host name for router. Okay, enable config terminal host name core RTR. Okay, same. Then I'm gonna set up loopback interface loopback 0. Okay, you can see the loopback interface is up now. Okay, I'm gonna set IP for loopback interface, which is 1.1.1. Okay, and the default gateway is 255.255.255.252. Okay, no shut command to up the interface and exit from it. We go back to interface gigabit ethernet 0/1/1. Okay, we give the IP address for this interface, which is 10.11.48.48.1. The subnet mask is same as the loopback interface, 255.255.255.252. Okay, no shut command to up the interface. Okay, then we exit from it. Okay, now I'm gonna uh, enable the routing information protocol, which is RIPV version 2 in router. Okay, first we're gonna give router RIP and give version 2. Then we list down the network for the router here, which is 1.1.0, and another network which is the 10.11.48.0. Okay, then we give no auto summary command for turn off the auto summarization. We end from here, copy and start to save the command we are done so far in the router. Okay, now let's configure the distribution layer, which is multi-layer switch. Okay, now enable config theme. Okay, now let's set up the host name. which is dist underscore sw. Okay, enable routing, which is IP routing. Okay, let's set up IP for interface gigabit ethernet 0/1. Okay, first we give no switch port command. Okay, IP addr 192.168.10.1, which is a command, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, no command to up the interface and exit from the interface. Let's give IP address for interface gigabit ethernet 0/2. The IP address for the interface is 10.11.48.2. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. Okay, oh sorry, we not yet give the switch port command. Okay, the switch port command is given and the interface is up. I give the IP address for the interface, no shut command, exit from the interface. Now we are done configuring IP address in interface gigabit ethernet 0/1 and 2. Okay, now let's enable the route RIPv2 in distribution layer also. Okay, router RIP, okay, version 2. Okay, network, the multi-layer switch is contributing one layer network 192.168.10.0. Another network is at 10.11.48, sorry, 48.0, 48.0. Okay, then we give note auto summarization command for turn off the auto summary. uh, Type. Okay, we end from this and give copy runs the command to save the configuration we have done so far. Okay, we are done configuring the network and the devices in this network. Okay, now let's do the step 4, which is verifying. Let's ping from PC1 to loopback 0. Okay, command, go to command prompt and give command ping, and the IP address for loopback 0 is 1.1.1.1. Okay, it's the command is sorry, the connection is successful. uh, Sorry, the connection between PC1 to loopback 0 in router 0 is successful. You can see the ping is all successful, 4 out of 4. Okay, now let's ping from server to loopback 0. Okay, server 0. Okay, go to command prompt, give command ping, and the IP for loopback 0 is 1.1.1. Okay, you can see as here also the ping is successful for 4 out of 4. So we are done our packet tracer for practical task 1. Thank you very much.